So we have discussed about the organs of the United Nations. Now let us see some specialized agencies of the United Nations. Okay, so there are specialized agencies which work for United Nations in different areas. So the first one is UNICEF, that is United Nations Children's Fund. So it works towards making provisions for proper nourishment, healthcare, and education for children. So there are many children around the globe, around the world, who need nourishment, who need proper healthcare and education. Especially after the destruction of World War, there were many areas which were destroyed. Okay, and there were many underdeveloped areas in the world. So the children there which suffer from malnutrition, that is, they don't get proper nourishment, they don't get proper health care, education. So UNICEF is an institution which works for them, is an agency which works towards making provision, that is, it helps for giving, providing. Making provisions means to provide, so it helps in providing proper nourishment, health care and education for children. Then second is WHO, that is World Health Organization. So World Health Organization, it works towards improving and safeguarding people's health across the world. So all the health related issues are solved here. Okay, so this agency works towards improving and safeguarding people's health across the world. The next, Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO. It aims to achieve food security for everyone and end hunger. It makes sure that humans have regular access to enough food to lead active, healthy lives. Okay. Then United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, that is UNESCO. Okay, UNESCO, it encourages international cooperation in education, the sciences and culture. It works towards conserving cultural heritage sites. So UNESCO, it works in encouraging the education, the science and the culture. Okay. The next is the International Labour Organization, that is ILO. Now ILO works towards improving the working conditions of people at work. So all the labor, those who are working, okay, so it helps in improving the working condition of people. It also aims to enhance opportunities for work. So for all those who are unemployed, those who need work, so it helps them for different opportunities for work. The next is International Monetary Fund, IMF. It works to secure international trade, reduce poverty and promote financial growth and development. So all those who need, or the countries or the areas which are poor, which are not financially good, so it helps to secure their finances and it helps in their development. Then United Nations Environment Program, UNEP, it aims to promote sustainable development and works towards protecting environment. So its main role is towards environment, especially protecting the environment. Then next is the United Nations Development Program, UNDP. So it works towards reducing poverty and inequality, and also it ensures that all people enjoy peace and prosperity. So these are some of the specialized agencies which work towards the development of the world in different areas.